NASA's insane nuclear rocket to visit Mars in days. Hello lovely YouTube family. Welcome to the Tech Region. Today we'll be looking at NASA's insane nuclear rocket to visit Mars in a few days. Stay tuned till the end. Nuclear rocket. Humans aren't used to spending so much time in space for one thing. It would take an amazing 21 months to execute a round-trip mission to Mars, including 9 months to travel there, 3 months on the planet, and 9 months to return. Every second spent traveling to Mars can be converted into energy, fuel, or money. Just going to Mars will cost hundreds of dollars per second, if you think about it. When you consider how much time and distance may injure a human body, it's easy to see why some people are apprehensive to go to other worlds. But what if there was a quicker way to get there? What if a trip to Mars didn't have to take a year and a half to complete? What if you could save all that time and money by taking a quicker, safer route? A growing number of scientists believe it is possible to travel to Mars in less than 21 months. Why not travel to Mars in 3 days or less? If these means of space travel prove to be viable, our perceptions of life on Mars will be drastically altered. Chemical rocket. Since the height of the space race, chemical rockets have been the most extensively used propulsion technology. SpaceX and its rockets, especially the spaceship, are reminiscent of the old Saturn rockets that Americans were proud of during NASA's early days. SpaceX technology, on the other hand, is significantly superior to anything NASA has ever achieved, saving time and making the long journey far more comfortable. The next-generation Raptor engines, which will power both the spaceship spacecraft and the Super Heavy rocket, are currently being developed by SpaceX. They're known for their massive amounts of power, but it's their reusability that makes them truly revolutionary. The Raptor, like many other engines before it, uses chemical fuel to generate thrust. Its use of liquid oxygen and methane, on the other hand, distinguishes it from almost every other space travel engine. There is no other liquid methane and liquid oxygen rocket engine that can create as much energy as this one. SpaceX's Raptor engine, as well as the Raptor 2 that is now in development, are crucial components of the company's future. It has an incredible amount of power that has never been harnessed before in terms of reusability in science. The Raptor engine has long been a dream of space engineers, but they have never been able to realize it. It will now save money and energy by assisting large boats like the spaceship in avoiding our atmosphere and flying straight for Mars. However, there is one disadvantage to this method of propulsion. A trip to Mars will take around 9 months in each direction, traveling planets at a faster rate. Even if the technology produced by SpaceX and other private enterprises is significantly superior to that developed by earlier generations, scientists and engineers are looking into ways to travel between planets at a far faster rate. A nuclear-powered rocket has a real chance to transform the way we travel across space in this case. A nuclear-powered rocket would use uranium fuel to generate heat, which would then be used to heat a liquid propellant, usually liquid hydrogen, which would expand into gas and fire out the back of the rocket. Consider the thrust generated by a nuclear-powered rocket. This form of rocket, according to scientists, would produce twice the thrust per unit of propellant as the current chemical engine. A one-way trip to Mars would take roughly 90 days on average, while others are skeptical of this mode of space travel because of the Chernobyl disaster and other nuclear disasters in the past. It's no surprise that nuclear power has a bad reputation. Nonetheless, it is a very safe technique, with safeguards in place to prevent any radioactive leakage. It's also possible that you'll be discovered. Even with an extra layer of safety, any nuclear-powered ship would depart our atmosphere in foreign countries using an old-fashioned chemical rocket. It would only use its nuclear power once it had left the Earth. What if, on the other hand, you need to travel to Mars even faster? Ion engines could be the next best thing if this is the case. Many scientists are investing time and money into researching these ion engines to see how powerful they can be. Unlike chemical rockets, ion engines accelerate electrically charged atoms known as ions using an electric field. This would be an excellent method of propelling a rocket ship forward. However, once an ion engine reaches space, it realizes its full potential. As it departs the Earth's atmosphere, The charged ions will provide the rocket a constant push, similar to how the wind moves a sailboat. This propellant would propel the rocket ship far faster than a traditional chemical rocket. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos in the future. Remember to comment and share the video. And leave your comments down below in the comment section. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you will love them. With that, I will see you in the next video.